Unleash power and performance. AMD Ryzen 7 5825U laptop review and features. Looking for a powerful, reliable, and affordable laptop? Meet the 15.6-inch AMD Ryzen 7 5825U laptop, built for multitasking, study, work, and entertainment. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, this notebook has everything you need. Key features: AMD Ryzen 7 5825U processor, 16MB L3 cache, 16GB DDR4 RAM, smooth multitasking, 512GB NVMe SSD, a fast storage and boot speed. Stunning 15.6-inch display, great for study or streaming. Wi-Fi 6, ultra-fast wireless connection. Full numeric keypad, perfect for Office and Excel. Multiple ports, HDMI, Type-C, USB 3.2, 3.5mm audio jack. Built-in webcam, ready for Zoom and online classes. Ideal for students, remote work, home office, daily productivity. Sleek, lightweight design makes it easy to carry and powerful enough to handle demanding tasks. Whether you're editing documents, browsing with multiple tabs, or watching HD videos, this laptop delivers smooth, efficient performance. Order now and upgrade your everyday computing experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews and laptop deals. Reference link below description. Thank you.